photographer next to me at the portrait workshop had $8,000 worth of glass mounted on his camera. My 50mm f1.8 cost me 120 foul used. When we compared shots at the end of the session, his bokeh looked nervous and distracting, while mine was creamy and purposeful. The difference wasn't the equipment. Most photographers approach bokeh backwards. They chase wider apertures and more expensive lenses, thinking f1.2 automatically creates better background blur than f2.8. This backwards thinking produces the technically soft subjects and harsh background transitions I see in 80% of amateur portrait work. The real secret to professional-looking bokeh lies in understanding the mathematical relationship between three variables: aperture, subject distance, and background separation. Why your f1.4 lens produces worse bokeh than my f2.8. Here's what lens manufacturers won't tell you. The optimal aperture for bokeh rarely coincides with the widest aperture available. Every lens has a sweet spot, approximately 1.5 to 2 stops down.